Juvenile duration hobby which we are going to release today in the hopes that she will never get caught again. So let's go.
Yeah.
The crows can't catch her. It's too fast.
You see early?
Male red-headed merlin.
Where did you find him?
I got him from a trapper, but I'm going to release him.
So why do the trappers?
They like to catch the bigger falcons to sell to the Arabs.
एक शाहीन भी नजर आया था आज
हाँ,
that area.
शाहीन था लकड़ता. Was it chasing the prey?
I don't know.
तुमने कितने मारे अली?
तो
कौन सी गन से? Who won this? It's a not juvenile, an adult male red-headed merlin, which is also known as a turumpi, and Falco chiquera is the Latin name. So we are going to let him go as well because he belongs out there in the wild.
Huh, you took off the wrong way.
Probably zoom in on him. Sitting there.
where did he say?
He's sitting there in the coconut tree. You know, on this branch which is slightly cut off, which is almost facing us.
Yeah.
Okay, which is almost like it's facing 5:30.